Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick, simple take before you buy. Today I am keeping it simple. What stands out, what to check, and who the outdoor upgrade is for. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Holds clothes tight, even in gusty winds. The strong clamping force with textured teeth keeps laundry securely on. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Built stronger, lasts longer. Crafted from robust material with a thicker profile that resists breaking, and this is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Press, clip, done. Simple one-step operation lets you attach clothes to lines, rods, or rails in seconds. No! For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are outdoor ready, easy setup, and home upgrade. The one caution is simple. Check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. My simple verdict: the outdoor upgrade looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.